Well, I've ordered a bunch of products lately, so I really don't know which one is this. Let's see. Oh, okay, I know which one is it. It's an air duster. It's a cordless, portable, powerful compressor. I've been looking at this product lately, and I think it's a super cool thing to have, very useful when you want to clean different stuff, like the color. So we'll do that. It has different accessories to do it differently and in a different way. Let's see, let's take this off. Maybe this is a safety mechanism. No, it's, oh, wait. Wow. Let's try it outside. So this product is intended basically for computers, keyboards, that kind of thing, but I have a huge problem here always with this oak tree that puts a lot of leaves in the car. Maybe it's too much for it, but you can use it to clean the car in other ways. We can use it inside the car to clean other areas. This is a brand new car, by the way. It's a couple months old. Here's another good example on how I'm gonna use this. I have this drone that obviously sometimes it flies over dust. It's exposed to the elements. And I used to clean it with this, which is the old way, but obviously not very efficient, not very powerful. And now I have this. Now it's absolutely clean, and it just helps to preserve the life of these little motors that get dusty sometimes when we fly, especially when we go off-roading or something like that. So this is a really good addition to all the equipment, a good replacement for this. So here it is. You can go and buy it here. And here are the instructions, pretty simple, really not much to learn. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different accessories. This one, for example, when you want to really go into some tight places, you can use this one. We're gonna do that later. This one, these two actually, can go here in the back and work as a vacuum cleaner. Small vacuum cleaner, but again for tight spaces. Where is it? Over here. There you go. For example here. So even around the house for little things, very little things, you can use it like that. Wow. I like it. This is the Roedix R7 model AD33. Here's the wire to charge it via USB-C. I'm gonna do that, and well, we're gonna keep playing with it. Well, now after more or less an hour, it's fully charged. Even though I have this mini compressor to inflate the bicycle tires, or any tires really, this air duster can do the job too. Let's do a little demonstration here. So you get the idea. I can deflate it completely. It will take a while, but there it is.